everyone! Welcome everyone to my channel. Today I will show you how to use large number of Instagram accounts and go send automated messages on these accounts. This is the main interface. Insta software of my company. Unlimited management of Instagram accounts. You can see that you have over 100 accounts here. In order to send a message, we'll go to the message manager. So here we have the first part, which is the part Manage Messages. This section will help us answer at automatic or scan out those text accounts. And in order to send a message, we'll go to the Send Message section down here. And now we're going to set up the basic configurations. For example, here, we can be texting people, follower, or the following. In this section, we will automatically text with the followers of these accounts. Or we can also text by profile link. I have a lot of profiles that have been scanned. And to scan out the ones in this profile, we will go to the section, Scan Data. In this section, I will make another clip to guide you. And here when I scanned it, if you are ready, I will fill in the usernames here and I'll send them a message automatically. When we have a target, then we will choose Content as content. I have already entered the content here. We will enter content in this content manager. And the software will save it for us. And now I will edit it a little. We can edit it like this. Next paragraph. And the software will save it. I will now set up a messaging system. The first is the number of threads runs. This means the account number, Instagram running at the same time. I will demo 7 accounts, run 7 accounts at the same time. Time sent between 2. I'll give it 15 to 2 to 5 seconds. And this is what I will. Allowed for duplicate use content. And it won't text the same person here. The setup is very simple and will be available for us. So now I'm just going to press. The software will start automatically. Go text us automatically. Let's all see the results.